Hey gang, welcome to Falcon Farms. I'm your host Johnny, and it's raining outside today, but I'm gonna do a quick update on my garden just so you guys can see how many plants I got coming up. Thank you. Like I said, this is gonna be a quickie because it's raining outside, but this is the last of my startup plants. I've got tomatoes here, more tomatoes. I got this radish here that should have been transplanted quite a while ago. More tomatoes here, tomatoes. Look at this. This is the first time that lettuce has grown for me. Anyway, this needs to be transplanted. There's one of my chicks under the tree there. Oh, there's another one way behind, way back there. Okay. Very quickly, look at some of the squash that's popping up there. Where's the other one? Oh, standing up right now. Yeah, I got some tomatoes coming up here. Well, I think these are grape tomatoes. I've got a cottage plant right there. I've got, you saw that squash. Here's more squash over here. And there was another one behind that big leaf. Don't know what this is, but I think it's marjoram. Anyway, I'm growing stuff here. I don't even know what it is, but it's coming in. Yeah, it's coming in. This is squash zucchini, but it's hanging. It's growing vertically. It's pretty cool. Very cool. I got tons of these peas. These sugar snap peas. They are great. I mean, I have one of those. Yeah, this is the bomb. I believe these two tall ones right here is going to be broccoli, and I think this purple one's eggplant. My greens are coming back, the kale and arugula. I got more hanging here. This is my tomatillo plant, and I'm waiting for some fruit to come out. That's my parsley right here. I got more tomatoes there, and that's the Cherokee beans, wax beans, I believe, the last of those. Okra, more peas growing here. Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff that I don't know what is and what is not. But that's that biggie. Maybe a turnip. Anyway, gang, I'm not gonna bore you today. Like I said, it is raining. Here I'm working on this is gonna be only for tomatoes. Yep. Get everything out of here. And there they go, walking around. Can you see them? Hey! Three black ones and a leghorn. I don't know what the black ones are. I got two barred rocks somewhere. Anyway, gang, that's what I want to show you. I don't have no idea what my son had cut this monster here, and we just left it alone, and it grew back. I have no idea what this is. Does anybody know what this flower is? I'm waiting to see if I planted a whole bunch of impatiens here all around, and these are my 3 little peppers. I think this is another pepper. I'm not sure. I don't keep track. Is this an impatient? Are they starting to come up now? Wow. Anyway, gang. Hey, look at these two guys. Hey. Hey, where you going? In the house? Where you going? Get out of here. Well, like I said, this was a quickie. Oh, by the way, that's my, not new, but I traded my Mustang for a Ford Explorer, which is road ready. Stickers and all, just got to get it, go to the DMV and just get it legal. Anyway, God bless you all. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. I need subscribers. And like I say, God bless you all. Have a great day.